Hello, Earth Science students. This help video is to help you work through the graded assignment, which is mid-unit test from Unit 2, Part 2. That's lesson 2.12. A lot of twos in there. Okay, what we're working on, once you have this downloaded and you've done the multiple choice part of the test, you'll complete this part of the assignment and it will be graded based on how you fill out the features and explanations in the table here at the bottom. There's information in the diagram and also in the paragraph that will help you answer the questions correctly. So it says the diagram below shows 3 plates. That's plate A, plate B, and plate C. Plate B is denser than plate A and plate C. A continent is shown on plate C. So here's our continent along with seafloor. So seafloor is the area on the edges of the continent. The other plates are entirely seafloor. The arrows show the direction that the plates are moving. That would be these blue arrows here, 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 all the blue arrows that you see. Complete the table. First, note the geologic feature or features that correspond to each number on the map, then explain in detail how the plate movements at each location account for the features shown at that location. So for features for the number on the map 1, we have these circles and diamonds, and the circles are islands, the diamonds are volcanoes. So you simply type in there islands and volcano. And then for explanation, and I didn't spell that correctly. For explanation, you just need to tell me how plate B and plate A had to move in a way that created these features. And it tells you already that plate B is denser than plate A, and the plate that is more dense will slide under the plate that is less dense. And when that happens, you'll have islands that pop up, usually due to volcanic activity. So you would write here in the explanation, since plate B is more dense than plate A, B slides under A, and volcanic islands form. That's exactly the kind of explanation that I would be looking for. Over here for feature number 2, we see these squares, and those represent trenches. So you write in trench. Feature 3 are these little jagged spots, and it tells us that that is a rift valley. 4 is, again, another trench. And 5 represents this range of mountains. So in your explanation, you just need to explain how, if the plates are moving together like they do here, if the plates are moving apart. Always when you see a trench, it's when you have either 2 oceanic plates, like here an ocean plate and an ocean plate, meeting each other, or an ocean plate meeting a continental plate. That will cause a trench to form because one is going to slide underneath the other, and the place where it slides underneath causes this kind of opening called a trench. The other opening that we see here is when the 2 plates are moving apart. So plate A is moving away from plate C. You're going to have an opening which creates something called a rift valley. So go ahead, give those explanations, turn that in, and let me know if you need any help. This assignment shouldn't take you that much time, but if you feel like you're struggling with it, definitely reach out and ask for me to help you. Keep up the great work.